Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Bootstrap tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how to use panels in Bootstrap. A panel is kind of a box which is bordered and you can add some tables or any component inside this panel. So for example, we want to add a panel just below our Jumbotron here. How we can do it, let's see. So first of all, go to your HTML file, and inside your container just below the Jumbotron we can add one more div element here, and this will be our row. So class is equal to row. Okay, and inside this row we are going to add one more div tag, and in here we will add a class called panel space panel minus default. Okay, so this will be the bare body of a panel. Now inside a panel you can add a body of a panel, heading of the panel, and the footer for the panel. So first of all we will add the body of the panel. So just add a div element like this, and in here just add a class called panel minus body, and this will be the body of the panel. And in here you can add your content, for example body of panel. Okay, and you can save it and run it into your browser, and the basic panel will look like this. Now we can add some header and footer to our panel, and how we can do it, we can add just above our body div element we can add one more div element for the header. So class is equal to panel heading for the heading, and just below the body you can add the div element for adding the footer. So class is equal to panel minus footer. Okay, and in the heading you can add some heading, for example heading, and for footer you can add something like this. Okay, save it and refresh your page, and this will be the heading of your panel, and this will be the footer for your panel. Okay, now for example we want to add some more attractive component, for example h3 tag or h1 tag, or some tables or something else inside the body. So let's see how we can add a title, for example here in the heading. So once again I will just make a space here, and for example I want to add a h3 tag. So I will just add this h3 tag, and I will add a class called panel title. Okay, and in here whatever title you give, it will be displayed as a panel title. So refresh your page and it will be like this. Okay, or for example you want to add some paragraph inside the body. Instead of this content, you can just copy a paragraph, and in the body element div element just add this paragraph tag and add your paragraph. Save it and refresh your page, and this paragraph will look like this. In the same way you can add other components like lists or tables or any other HTML tag. Okay, in the same way you can modify the footer also with the element or component of your choice. Now panel also has different taste and styles. So let's see how we can add different styles to panels. So I will just revert this paragraph, and I will just add my previous body of the panel, which is very small. And what I'm going to do now is I will just copy this panel from this panel minus default. Just copy this code from here and just paste it below. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 for example. So first kind of panel was default, right? Second kind of panel can be primary. As we have seen, there are different kind of buttons like default, primary, warning, success or info. In the same way we can give styles to panel in the same way. Default, primary, third can be success, fourth can be warning, and fifth can be, for example, info. Okay, and save it and refresh your page and you can see different kind of panel. This is the default one, this is the primary, this is success panel, this is warning panel, and this is our info panel. So these are the different kind of panels you can add to your Bootstrap web page. Now in order to add this panel in alongside each other, what you can do is, for example, we want 3 panels in one row and 3 panels in the second row. Okay, so what we can do is we can add this div tag, and this will be our class for the column, right? So call sm-4, okay, and just close your column div tag from here. And in the same way you can just do the same for the other div column. So here and end it here, and once again copy this and end it at the end of your panel. Okay, so this is our one row, right? And we can end our row instead of here, right? And let's say we just want 3 columns and we don't want this 2 other panels. Save it and refresh your page and it will be 3 panels in a row. Okay, in the same way you can add one more row of 3 panels, and in the same way you can add multiple rows of panels. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of panels in Bootstrap, and that's it for this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.